Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the average formula in Microsoft Excel. So without any delay, let's get started. Here's a document I created with a list of names and their marks in different subjects, as you can see. Now let's say we want to find the average marks of all subjects for each student. How do we do that? To do this, I have added an empty column where we will calculate the averages. First, click on the first cell in the column and type average. If you're having trouble writing this, you can find it in the description below. Now, without clicking anywhere else, select the cells containing the marks of that student. Since we have 3 subjects, I'll select 3 cells. After that, just press enter and Excel will instantly calculate the average. But what about the rest of the students? No worries. Instead of repeating the process manually, we can simply use autofill. Click on the corner of the calculated cell, hold the left mouse button and drag it down to fill the rest of the column automatically. And that's it. A quick and easy way to use the average formula in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.